Hey there, Nick Hackers here. In this video, we're going to go over how to expand the Tilde character to a user's home directory in a shell script. This could be really handy if your script will ask the user for some input here to supply a path, and then maybe you make that directory and install some files to it. Really up to you, basically, what your script does here. But, by default, let's say that if the user doesn't supply anything, then it is going to create a directory in their home directory for /demo in this case, but the user may want to supply their own path as well. And by the way, spoiler alert, this is the magic to make all of this work here. We're going to go over that, but let's run the script a couple of times just to see how it works. So if I run the script here with no input at all, hit enter here, we can see that things have been installed to, my user's home directory here /demo. And if I do an LSLA there in that demo directory, there we go. There is that hello file that's been touched over here. And in this case, I just have a little bit of extra logic saying that if the path is not supplied here from this input, then let's just default to, the home directory /demo. So technically, this isn't really doing anything here. But let's rerun the script here. And this time around, I am going to supply my own custom path here. So let's say that we want to put it into cool story instead. So we can see in this case, in my user's home directory, there is a cool story directory here now. And if we do an LSLA there, we can see that things are good to go here. And now this actually is taking place here. So let me just clean those directories up really fast here. Demo, cool story. There we go. But yeah, in this case, what's happening is we are replacing the tilde character with the user's home directory here. And the pound symbol here is playing a very important role in the sense that it will only do the string replacement if the first character in the user input here happens to be a tilde. So let's demonstrate that one over here. So if I rerun the demo script here, and for whatever reason, let's say that I want to actually have a literal tilde character in a path like relative to where we are here. So you can see now there's a hello directory here. And yeah, there is the literal tilde character here. It needs to be quoted here just because, that character from a shell standpoint needs to be quoted. But yeah, let me go back over here and get rid of that hello directory there. But yeah, this could be an interesting wacky use case where a user may actually want to have that. So having the pound symbol there is pretty handy. But let's say that for whatever reason, or maybe this is what you want to do, you want to replace all the instances of a tilde with the user's home directory. It doesn't matter if the tilde happens to be the 10th character in their input or the first. So, if we rerun the script here again, we can do demo with no input here. This is still going to work exactly the same here because this condition is firing here and that's the path being used. Cool. But then we can rerun the script again and we can say okay, let's go back to yep, this is still going to work here. It is the first character. This is going to run through, replace things, and we can do our LSLA on yep there. Things are good to go. Cool. Let me just remove that one over here so we can see that. And then, yeah, so let's do one more use case here where we do the demo script here, but let's say that we want to do something like hello, and then we can do tilde, and then we can do world. And in this case, I'm omitting that first / before the tilde, just because that's going to be expanded out here. So we can see hello home Nick world here, and if we do an LSLA here in this hello directory, let's just do it recursively. Yeah, there we go. So everything has been created there. So I don't know, depending on your use case, you may want to use this version instead of this version. This isn't also limited to just accepting paths, right? You can just do this string replacement here for anything. I don't know, it doesn't need to be a path coming in there. But yeah, typically if I'm creating a path, I will end up using the pound symbol here. It just feels like that is the most common use case where, if a user is going to be supplying a path to something to their home directory, it will be the first character. So yeah, that's going to do it for this one. Let me know in the comments below if you're going to be using this for anything. Did you know this before? Did you not know this before, etc. And yeah, if you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up because it really does help a lot. Thanks a lot for watching, and I will see you in the next one.